Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is about laptop keyboard shorting problem. As showing, while the keyboard is shorted, then it will trouble you in many ways, like you are writing or doing something else and it will bring you unwanted window and so on, which is not needed to clarify more who are suffering with the keyboard shorting problem. We can fix it in some ways, like we can disable keyboard over here. However, by disabling this, the existing problem will be resolved, but it will harm motherboard. Another way is repairing or changing the keyboard, and the last one is disconnect keyboard from motherboard and use an external keyboard. I'm going to show you how to disconnect keyboard. So without any further delay, let's get started. Tape all connectors well. That's it for today. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.